Improve the business. My plan? Outsource everything to the cloud.
Actually, we are going to show how the brand new Terms dashboard helps companies of all sizes forecast 21 KPIs out of the box to monitor business health with a 90-day free trial.
That's the idea, Olivia. Use the free trial to outsource everything to the cloud. Everything goes. HR, procurement, we move manufacturing to the cloud.
Oh. Is that even legal?
That's the beauty of it, buddy. Legal's been in the cloud since last year, and no more lawsuits. So much savings. We'll have our biggest quarter ever.
The investors will love it.
Or go to the cloud on our own terms with the brand new Terms dashboard. Benchmark 21 KPIs against industry peers and forecast future performance across all your products, customers, financials, and operations with SAP Analytics Cloud.
I call it SAC, short for SAP Analytics Cloud.
Start your trial of SAC and start measuring your business in minutes. Machine learning sees relationships in your data to deliver real forecasts on the KPIs that impact business health. And it works whether you run on spreadsheet, on SAP, or anything in between.
My cousin literally runs her business on napkins. She sends a stack of them to the cloud, HANA predictive engines spin, and Terms gives her a forecast that goes 6 months into the future.
Just load key measurements into our spreadsheet template. One row for each month or for each line of data. With Terms, you don't have to build any dashboard at all. So make your spreadsheet match our template. 21 KPIs with drop boxes and drill down, creating custom forecasts on your products and customers. A total enterprise view of finance, customer, operation, and people. Color-coded with industry standards for aerospace and defense to start. Or you can customize your benchmarks with the touch of a slider.
Make sure you hit save. I forgot once. My cloud was never the same.
SAC integrates with thousands of systems out of the box, so updates are a snap. And don't worry about design with our pixel-perfect display. It runs in the cloud and displays instantly on any device. Hold virtual team meetings with social features, sharing, and bookmarks. And go offline with an email scheduler to get terms in PowerPoint, PDF, or Excel. Terms dashboard is brand new. Only one of hundreds of free content packs available in SAP Analytics Cloud. Some plugs into apps you already have, and some are industry specific.
But the video's almost over. I gotta talk about Smart Discovery, where AI shows you what is influencing your KPIs and simulates how you can change one KPI to affect the others. And then the best enterprise planning tool in the market, you get a mobile app designer, Smart Predict, Smart Insights, the voice assistant, and chatbots, and
We only scratched the surface of SAC, and with tons of learning content available at saphanajourney.com. Anyone can go to the cloud.
The board has spoken. We've started our trial of SAC, loaded data to our Terms dashboard, and we're also going to outsource everything to the cloud.
Are you ready, buddy?
I was born ready.
Go to the cloud on your own terms with a 90-day trial of SAP Analytics Cloud and the Terms dashboard. Check out all the learning content on our site and send us your comments and questions. We would love to hear them.